way where we can directly get the NBFC's list? If there is any public way?
Which way? Yes, so these
Like,
were only the options, the RBI list or Wikipedia.
yeah,
Um,
RBI list, I checked. RBI, that's the list we have got.
what is about
Let's
it?
check.
If these NBFCs like are listed on Money Control or Just Dial, we can take their website URLs from there also, I guess.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it. So you can download the script one. At least we can convert this. Script one is fine. Okay, 1 second. Just script one second. Email list. Disconnect. Okay. You can know more about. Okay, we have some disconnect. On the finance. Year wise number of version. New ban. New version. We might have this list. So even if we have websites, right, we need to see how we can scroll, do this like 10,000s of things like this one. 10,000s of hits, right? Thousands of hits. I'll also see how these other guys are doing.
So
Uh,
that day you
this
told
is
me about incremental system. Okay, first like 10,
mm,
then 50, then
correct,
100.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way we need to do a lot of delayed intervals we need to do.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
I also tried that as well. I added
Okay.
some more delay into it,
Hmm.
but don't know like it was getting high.
Okay. Got it. So you don't do it in your system, as you told you got it in that machine, right? Oh, run it on that, push it everything to there, and then run it from their machine, their system, from the machine, and try to get the SSH access from there, and then run it there.
Okay. And also I
Just
can try at my college also. There are like good PCs in my college.
okay. Yeah, you can try there as well, but we can also see like this one. Like we can pay for that as well if your free trial has gone, or else we can get that integrated into our instance. Mithran 360 has also instance, so we can get there as well. So whatever feels firstly you for validating, you can go ahead and then see how we can do it in 1 second.
Okay. So first of all, that day you told me about the system should be in two parts. The first
Hmm.
data extraction agent and another should be validation agent.
Correct, correct.
So
Yeah.
I'm implementing that validation. Today it will be done
Okay.
by
Okay. Okay. So okay, got it. Okay, good, good, good. So we have this like okay, we need to see how I can get so any kind of paid which is at a cheaper one. We need to see paid API searches. Paid API
so,
searches.
sir. I have
Is
one
it?
name I can suggest you.
Mm,
Just a second. So answer after how many like how much time like how much interval we are then scripting it. Like first we'll script this month, then afterwards we'll script how like after
no,
how
we
much
don't
time
need
interval.
very often. No, no, we one off is fine because days will not change very often usually.
Oh sir, okay. Yeah.
One off is fine, and then 6 months or sometime we can see how we wanted to do. But these are all will not be changing much, right? Suppose if Bajaj Finance is not going to change tomorrow, directly coming into some other segment, right? So
Yeah.
this will be like mostly static. One off will be fine. Where we fetch the very information, and then you can see name can be done. I'm just seeing how can we get this.
It's one sir SERP API no, SERP
Yes.
API SERP API.
Okay. 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 1.5K for. Okay. Yes, so 1.3 for 1K results for 99 billion monthly. Okay. Okay. What is the difference between pay as you go without a monthly commitment? Tailored for 1.5K. Okay. $1 for. Okay. We can go like 10K is charging around into 10, right? 10K, like, yeah, 10K, $15 is fine. We can go 2000 is fine, right? We can go one off. We can go with bright data, but we need to see how this is coming out. First deposit dollar for dollar. Okay, we can see. Just investigate this, how good it is coming, and then so get multiple search engines. So what is how much is DuckDuckGo coming charging?
Sorry, sir.
How much is DuckDuckGo charging?
Uh, I haven't checked about DuckDuckGo, sir.
Okay, let me check.
Okay.
DuckDuckGo is $10. Okay, how much is DuckDuckGo charge?
And there is one, it is named as Serper.dev. It gives
Hmm.
around 2,500 searches for free
Okay.
monthly. I'll try
Okay.
that one for our like for first
Yeah,
implementation.
you don't do it on your system, it will again crash, and you can do it on that the free one in your AWS account, and then launch the Windows machine, and then connect through your machine. We call this RTD, remote virtual desktop kind of. So you do that if you want. Then I can help how you can do that. So you will what you will do is you will just you have a remote connectivity kind of, where you can run kind of Windows machine in that system. That is
Okay.
the way. If you want, or else you can get that if your system is tracking.
Yes, sir. Like I found out these cheap alternatives for that SERP API. These can also find.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, just check the sample, and then we can just go ahead with running the samples. If it is good, we can deal 2000, 3000. We can put it and then see if it is making sense. So what we can do is, firstly, the best way to get the quick URLs for each and every bank. So how we can get quick, like we need to see how we can get the quick URLs of that. Yes, see. RBI list, India list of one sec. We have this, but only the list. I mean, I think only few which are listed might be having the information, I guess, but others which are not listed might not have the information more. But
One
we
doubt.
can see how it.
Can ChatGPT find
Hmm.
these URLs?
Mm-hmm.
Then
Chat GPT, but how many you will give it? How many you will give?
yeah,
So how ChatGPT can find, I get Perplexity also can find, but how many you'll give and how many requests. So you can run it like you can give it in a batch, like for this 10, find out 10, or you can give some batch of 20 and then find 20 and then see how many it is getting. But again, yeah, you can try that as well, ChatGPT or whatever it is. But it will hallucinate sometimes, it will give
yeah.
sometimes right. So we can just
And
try
some
and
of them are,
explore.
I guess, are shell companies also.
Hmm. Yeah, some of them are shell company. So what we can do is 9,000 is not needed. What we can do is top top 1,000. And we'll suggest. Okay, key measures. First E. One second. I'm just. We need to see. Find out how top 30 NBFC companies. NBFC list. NBFC list. Let's firstly figure out the URLs first of all these companies. That would be a best way, and then we'll go ahead with finding out the for that after that. Or else it's waste, like you have for company name, equity, list E list C3 Yeah, let's not run it for all. So for anything we do, just do a sampling and then figure out it how it behaves for few. Like if you are saying the ChatGPT API also, that's also so even let's go for the one which is paid, even if it is giving a good result, like which is search enabled. How much the ChatGPT or Perplexity, whichever is the model which can be a lowest cost, which at least give the basic information which we can use, and then
I'll
see.
I'll try both the approaches. This ChatGPT one also and that's Serper.dev also. That gives around
Okay.
2,500 for free.
Yeah, so in this case, right? So figure out writing in like um, figure out a prompt which can take this 10 or 20. Firstly, we need to figure out the URLs. Once the URLs are given, right? Once the URLs are very clear, then the scrapping automation is easy. You can use any paid tool and then automate.
Yes,
Because I was also initially trying this. The problem was that I firstly figuring out this and then the problem starts. So now we can pay. There I was completely looking for free kind of. Now we can at least pay and see because we will be using it. It will be longer time and full for the database. So we can just firstly figure out like 50 out of run for only 50. Don't run for more than that. Even run less than that would work, and then see how it is accuracy. Then if we see that if we pay like around 2000 to 5000 kind of under that budget, then we can pay it and then replicate that process.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
that way we can do that. Yeah, then go ahead and then see how we can do this, like split, create a proper prompt and then add this particular 5 to 10 NBFCs and then get the URL. Get the URLs of at least, see, figure out how we can find out the best websites or best where we can find out the top 1000 or 5000. 10,000 is all somewhere on crash. uh,
Sure, I'll do.
uh, or crash. So what we can do is how we can filter that is like top 100 if there is any website giving the top 100. Figure out the prompt in such a way giving top 100 NBFC, top 100 to 500, 100 to 200. Those way you can scrap it out and then we'll get the good cases and till 500 is fine. Then we'll see 500 to 1000 later
Yes, sir.
once this is done. Even if it is paid, we can do that, but we need to show that whether it is coming up correct or not. That's it.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
because the same happens with the MSME schemes as well, right? Later, so we need to definitely see how we can benefit. I'll also ask someone who is doing these automations, figuring out data from multiple areas. There are guys who are doing this N8 and automation and top dumping the data into multiple locations. So I'll see if he responds or not. I don't know, but I'll try to reach out to him in the link. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then go ahead and then in the AWS machine, the best way is in the AWS machine, take a good one machine there. If it is like $10, $20 roughly, I guess there as well, 20 or $30. So just see if your free quota is one, then see if that is helpful. We can pay that as well, and
Yes,
then we
sir.
can see. Okay. Chalo then.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will meet. Can we meet again on Saturday? Today is Thursday. By
Yes,
Saturday, will you be able to?
yes, sir.
Okay. So how we can do the better way at even if it is cost, but at a better cost. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Chalo then. Thank you.
What?